we can back up sites which are as large as 300 GB. That is very, very unique to us. Our technology enables you to back up such large sites because we do incremental backups, and we do all of this without overloading your site. So that's one of the big challenges, because if you're running a WooCommerce store or if you're running a WordPress site, the last thing you want is something which is important but still not critical to your visitor to overload that site. So that's something which we put a lot of effort into to ensure that you can back up these really large sites without putting any load on it. Okay, so that's important. And then we obviously let you restore it easily, even if your site is completely down, because we do it from our dashboard, which is independent of your website. When you're restoring a backup, it's never a pleasant experience. You're worked up, you're like, okay, which one? My website should have been fine. Something has gone wrong. So how do you know which backup to restore from, because your backups have been taking place for quite some time? What we do is we show you the changes that are happening between backups. And in this case, you can see, so here you can see that on 2nd April, this Akismet plugin was updated and 13 other plugins were updated. So this is the point typically where your backups, your site would have broken, because you might be realizing that your site has broken, but you don't know when it broke. So we will show you the changes that are happening to your site between backups, and you're able to find the right one. The other thing we do, and which is again another trick which we really love, is have a test restore. So if you have an important site, you don't want to play basically Russian roulette with your site. So what we do is we let you test restore your backup onto our own servers. So on our staging servers, and you can test it out. So if you want, you can check out this backup or multiple backups, test restore it, and see which is the one which actually is the one that you need. And basically, because we have this test restore functionality, we also have a built-in staging environment, which makes a good option if you want a safe way to back up and protect your website.